Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play sound and music in Roblox voice chat through your mic. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Alright, and once done, go ahead and type in Voicemod. Okay, hit on enter and just click on the first search results right here. Click on it. Alright, make sure that it is from voicemod.net. Again, here, just go ahead over to the top right and let's go ahead and create an account. Okay, wait for it to load. All right, now once it loads, you can go ahead and use your Google, Twitch, or Discord, or signing up. Okay, so for this example, I'm just going to be using Google, like so, and wait for it. Select your account and then hit on continue. All right, and here, if you want to, you can go ahead and change your username. For example, I'm going to change it to Made for Money. And then once done, just go ahead and click on download Voicemod. Okay. Now it says here, thanks for joining Voicemod. Just wait for a download page to pop up and go ahead and save the installer wherever you want. Okay. As you can see here, it is currently downloading. Just wait for it. Okay. As you can see here, the download is done. Just click on the installer. And there will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. And here, installation process begins. Okay, just hit on OK. Wait for it. Now go ahead and tap on next. Now scroll all the way down. Once done, hit on accept. Hit on next. 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 And then just hit on install. All right. Wait for the installation process to finish. All right. As you can see here, it's done. Just tap on get started. And it will just automatically log you in. All right, just click on Open Voicemod at the top, then hit on Next. Now select your preferred microphone or the microphone that you're going to be using in game and the headphones, okay, or the output. Once everything is selected, you can now go ahead and hit on Next and start using Voicemod. All right. As you can see here, we have a ton of features. You can go ahead and use the voice changer, or you can just go ahead and straight up go to soundboards. Okay, click on it. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and add in your own music or audio. This one right here, or Voicemod, supports MP3 and WAV files. Okay, just click on add and upload your file. Or if not, you can go ahead and use these free ones from Voicemod itself. Okay, for example, honk. Okay. To make this work, all you have to do is click on Add Keybind and then enter the keybind that you wanted to use. For example, Ctrl+1, like so. Now, once that's done, once you have your keybind, you can now go ahead and open up Roblox. Now you can go ahead and open up a game, for example, any game that you like. Okay, for example, I'm just going to be using Combat Arena. I'm going to hit on play. All right, then press escape. Then go ahead over to settings. Now scroll down until you find the option to add an input in here, and make sure to select the microphone that you have set under Voicemod. Okay, now if you don't have that option, don't worry, as the default microphone that is used on your computer will be used in here in the game. All right, so for example, I'm just going to press Ctrl+1. And as you might notice, or as you might have heard, the audio works. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.